Central Indiana's LGBTQ community celebrates Pride Month. A new report highlights some of the struggles that persist. The Damien Center and several other groups surveyed close to 700 self-identifying gay or transgender people about their lives. 44% reported being harassed, threatened, or attacked in the last year. 17% have experienced homelessness. 20% feel depressed most days. And 145 of those surveyed say they have tried to take their own lives. RTV6's Cornelius Hawker talked to advocates who believe a community center dedicated to all things LGBTQ could help address those issues.
In Indianapolis, there are several organizations dedicated to helping the LGBTQ plus community, but right now, there's not a centralized place to access those resources.
An LGBTQ center, it can fill many of these gaps. It can fill a lot of hardships by providing employment and housing services, and it can also provide primary mental health care.
Dr. Dustin Nowaski knows a lot about the importance of improving access. He founded OutCare back in 2015.
I think most people would be surprised that there are a lot of LGBTQ organizations within Indianapolis and across Indiana, but a lot of them were not talking to one another.
OutCare linked all those organizations, and now it's turned into a nationwide database for LGBTQ plus folks to find doctors and other professionals and organizations that can meet their specific needs, much like an LGBTQ center would do here in Indy.
For me, the center kind of embodies like OutCare in a physical space, so it's nice that we are a partner, and we're absolutely happy to be a part of this group and provide our services.
At IYG, we serve youth ages 12 to 20. And when those youth age out right now, when they turn 21, there's really no place for them to go except to the bars.
That's just one of the reasons why Indiana Youth Group Executive Director Chris Paulson says Indianapolis needs an LGBTQ center.
We don't want to age our youth out into the bars. They need a safe space that they can go that's not based around alcohol, and someplace that they can network and receive services that they desperately need.
Chris and Dustin are hopeful the community at large will see all these organizations coming together and choose to support this cause.
A city the size of Indianapolis should definitely have an LGBTQ center.
I hope that other organizations that want to be a part of this, it is a monumental feat, that if they can contribute in any way, if they can be a part of the conversation, I think that can go a long way.
Working for you, Cornelius Hawker, RTV6.